Ever wondered why despite your best efforts, dental issues like cavities, gum disease, and bad breath still persist? These common dental problems are often the result of poor oral hygiene, smoking, and an unhealthy diet. Cavities, for instance, are formed when plaque bacteria break down sugar in your mouth, producing acids that eat away at your teeth. Gum disease, on the other hand, can be triggered by the buildup of plaque along the gum line, often due to inadequate brushing and flossing. And let's not forget bad breath, which can be a sign of various issues from leftover food particles to dry mouth. Traditionally, we've combated these issues with regular use of mouthwash, diligent flossing, and routine dentist visits. But despite these efforts, these problems can persist, often leaving us frustrated and searching for alternatives. But have you ever considered that there might be a more natural, cost-effective solution to these persistent problems? Enter the world of apple cider vinegar, a common kitchen ingredient with extraordinary dental benefits. This unassuming liquid is a concoction of fermented apple juice and yeast, which transforms into alcohol, then further ferments into vinegar. The star player in this mix is acetic acid, which gives apple cider vinegar its distinctive tang and its formidable antibacterial properties. But the magic doesn't stop there. This amber elixir is also a natural teeth whitener. Its acidic nature helps dissolve stubborn stains, leaving your teeth sparkling clean. And let's not overlook apple cider vinegar's role in maintaining a healthy pH balance in your mouth. It neutralizes harmful bacteria, preventing tooth decay and gum disease, while promoting the growth of beneficial oral bacteria. So we've got a potent antibacterial, a natural teeth whitener, and a pH balancer all in one bottle. Not convinced yet? Let's dive deeper into the wonders of this humble kitchen ingredient. Imagine having a brighter smile, healthier gums, and fresher breath without breaking the bank. Enter apple cider vinegar, a natural and affordable solution for your dental woes. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, a substance known to help whiten teeth. By gently removing stains, it can restore the natural sparkle to your smile. But that's not all. Its antimicrobial properties can combat gum disease, keeping your gums healthy and strong. Ever wrestled with bad breath? Apple cider vinegar can come to your rescue. Its acidic nature helps neutralize the bacteria causing the unpleasant odor, leaving your breath refreshingly clean. Now, a word of caution. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, and if used incorrectly, it could damage your tooth enamel. The trick is to dilute it with water and not to use it too frequently. Impressed by these benefits? Well, you might be wondering how to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your dental care routine. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your dental care routine can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's explore how to include this wonder ingredient into our dental regimen. First things first, always remember to dilute apple cider vinegar before using it. A safe ratio is 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. As for application, it's simple. Dip your toothbrush in the diluted vinegar and brush as you normally would. Alternatively, you could swish it around your mouth as a mouthwash. How often should you use it? Once a day should suffice. But remember, moderation is key. While apple cider vinegar has numerous benefits, overuse can lead to enamel erosion due to its high acidity. Also, always rinse your mouth with water after using apple cider vinegar and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth with regular toothpaste. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try? Revolutionize your dental health and enjoy a brighter, healthier smile today.